In recent years, biomedical instrumentation has become an invaluable tool for medical professionals. It enables them to diagnose and treat illnesses and injuries more effectively and efficiently than ever before. But what exactly is biomedical instrumentation and why is it so important? Biomedical instrumentation is a branch of engineering that develops and designs medical equipment for use in healthcare. These devices can range from simple tools like thermometers and stethoscopes to complex imaging systems like MRI and CT scans. The need for biomedical instrumentation is driven by the ever-evolving medical field. As doctors and researchers work to uncover new treatments and technologies, they need the right tools to help them. Biomedical instrumentation helps them do this by providing the necessary devices to diagnose, monitor, and treat diseases. Biomedical instrumentation also plays an important role in helping to reduce healthcare costs. By providing doctors with the right tools and devices, they can diagnose and treat illnesses more quickly, which can lead to fewer hospital stays and fewer tests. Finally, biomedical instrumentation is also essential for the development of new treatments and therapies. By providing the necessary devices and tools, biomedical engineers can help develop and test these treatments, making them available to patients sooner.